if you're experiencing issues with Roblox updates getting stuck. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Follow these steps to optimize your Roblox experience. Step 1. Restart your device. Shut down your computer or device completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary issues that may be causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Navigate to the Roblox installation folder on your device and delete the cache files. This can help remove corrupted files that may be interfering with the update process. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox. If the update is still stuck, uninstall Roblox completely and then download the latest version from the official website. This ensures that you have a fresh installation without any lingering issues. Step 5. Disable firewall/antivirus temporarily. Sometimes, security software can block updates. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if this resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable it after the update is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Roblox updates getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.